All right, so we're here at 1457 North Oxford Avenue in Pasadena. So what we're doing here is we're checking the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We're here to check the main sewer line. I would highly recommend that you get a plumber over here to check the plumbing underneath the house. Some of it just doesn't look right over here. Plus, we're running our camera from this 3-inch clean out located on the left-hand side of the house. We're going into a cast iron pipe over here that's really pretty much at the end of its life. You can see it's completely choked up. Try to go through, let's see. Completely choked up, this thing. No. Forget it. We're not going to break the camera over here. So this is no good over here. We're going to pause the recording. We're going to go to the right-hand side of the house. Okay, so we're running the camera here from the right-hand side of the house. We made it all the way through to the city connection. Just to let you know, there is another clean out in the front of the house, but there is a backflow prevention valve after the clean out, which we removed it. We'll put it back once we're done because we wouldn't want to get stuck in it. So right now we have our camera in and we're all the way out to the city connection in the street. So there's the city sewer. Let's bring it back. So here's your connection to the city sewer. The 6-inch clay lateral coming back is in good condition. It's nice and clean. It's very good. So this all looks pretty good over here. A little bit of roots coming in there, nothing really serious, nothing that can't be cleaned out. This looks pretty good as it comes onto the property to a 4-inch clay pipe. And this looks nice and clean as well. You'll see like little surface cracks in the pipe. That's very common to find that in a clay pipe. I'm looking for big problems like massive holes or massive dislocations, heavy roots, and that's not the case over here. This looks, in my opinion, remember it's all based on my opinion, looks like it's in pretty good condition outside. Now right over here, that's where the backflow prevention valve is. We'll put it back in once we're done. It's just that we didn't want to get stuck in it, so we pulled it out over there. We'll put it back. A little piece of ABS plastic outside. This is good. And then there's the clean out outside that you should really never clean the line from that clean out outside because you'll break the backflow valve. I'm going to show you everything. Okay. You know, coming back here, it comes into a cast iron pipe that's in very, very, very old. And especially from the other side of the house, we couldn't even get our camera through. It was so choked up, the pipe. So this cast iron piping underneath the house really needs to be replaced. It's really pretty much at the end of its life, especially if you look at it on the other side of the house. The toilet here in this side over here, if the toilet's running, so I put the little flapper down, that needs to be fixed by a plumber because you'll waste a lot of water. So coming back here, we're going into some ABS plastic over here. Now we come back, and then you're going to come back to a T in the line right over here. You come back, look at that. That's an illegal fitting over there. That's not a directional fitting. Let's bring the camera back. So I'm going to recommend that the plumbing be replaced underneath the house all the way to the outside. No vertical lines, but we can fix, at least make everything flow the right direction. The cast iron pipe needs to go. It's at the end of its life. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and stop the recording over here.